Hey, I'm Alex from Marcs Mobility, and in this video we're going to show you the newest and best carbon fiber HD power chair on the market. This is the Carbon HD by Mobility. What makes this the best is this has a 400-pound weight capacity, and if the battery is out of the unit, it only weighs 32.5 pounds. With the battery in the unit, it is still right at 40 pounds. So even that's probably one of the lightest on the market. But it is a 400-pound weight capacity. It does go 3.7 miles per hour and up to 12.5-mile drive range. What's also nice and unique about this unit is now you actually have a legit 20 by 20 cushion, and you have almost 22 inches in between the armrests, and down here by your hips, almost 23 inches. You have a very nice large footplate of 17 inches wide that does flip up with multiple holes of height adjustment on there. You can see it does have suspension in the front, and then it does have 250-watt brushless motors in the back. They've also upgraded the electronics to a new digital display, which is going to have your speed, your odometer, what drive profile you're on, and then your overall battery gauge on the unit. Now, this is airplane grade carbon fiber material, so that's how they were able to get the weight down to that 32.5 pounds. It does fold up very easily. You can either fold it down onto the ground, and it actually does click into place when you go down with the unit. And here it's 40 pounds, so I have the battery in it, but the battery is able to remove very easily and get this down to 32.5 pounds. Now, the overall width of this unit is 26 pounds. And the overall length is about 36.5 inches of overall length. And same with the turning radius right there at about 36.5 inches as well. So it's a small, tight turning radius. I do believe this is going to be a game changer on the market due to the weight at only being about 32.5 pounds. So if you're interested in a unit like this, feel free to give us a call. We'd love to speak with you.